Hello! In this video, we will talk about special right triangles, and we will talk about two of special right triangles. The first one is a right triangle with angles 45, 90 angles, and the second one of the angles 30, 60, 90 angles. Okay? So, if you have a right triangle of angles 45, 90, like this angle is 45 and this angle is 45, then this side equals to this side, right? And this is the hypotenuse. So the length of each side here, we have a proportional in each side. Since this side equal to this side, assume that this side is x and this side is also x because they are equivalent, and the hypotenuse, name it y. Note that by applying Pythagorean theorem, we have x squared plus x squared equals to y squared, right? So 2x squared equals to y squared. Now take the square root for both sides to get the square root of 2 times x equals to y. So if this equals to 1, 1, 1, if this equals to 1 and this equals to 1 centimeter, then, and this angle is 45 and this angle is 45, and this is right triangle, this is equals to 1, this side equals to 1 centi and this side equals to 1 centi, then this side equals to the square root of 2 centimeter. Okay? So the proportional is, or the ratio of x and y is x or y over x equals the square root of 2. Okay? So if you have any right triangle of 45, 90 angles, then the hypotenuse is the square root of the side of the other sides. Okay? The other sides are equal. Okay. Now the second one, if we have a triangle of 30, 60, 90 angles, this is 30 and this is 60 and this is right angles, then and this is the shorter leg and this is the longer leg, and this is the hypotenuse. Okay? So here the hypotenuse equals to the square root or to the 2 times shorter leg, okay, or shorter side. Okay, this is the hypotenuse equals to 2 times the shorter leg. Also, the longer leg, this is longer leg, equals to the square root of 3 times square root of 3 equals to the square root of 3 times the shorter leg. Okay? So if the shorter leg is 1, then the longer leg is square root of 3 and the hypotenuse is 2. So 1 square root of 3, 2. 1 square root of 3, 2. So the summary of this video, if we have a triangle, if we have two triangles, one of them is 45, 90 angles, then the proportional here is 1 square root of 2 and multiplier of these numbers. Okay? If we have a triangle 30, 60, 90, then the ratio 1 square root of 3, 2, where this is the shorter leg, and this is the longer leg, and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, let's do an example. If you have a right triangle of angles 45, and this equals to 3, this side equal to 3, and this is equals to 3, find the hypotenuse. By applying the theorem, the hypotenuse equals 3 times square root of 2, just 3 times square root of 2. Okay, let's do another example. If you have a right triangle 30, 60, and this is the right angle, and this is the shortest or shorter leg, equals to 4. Find the longer leg and the hypotenuse. Since this triangle is 30, 60, 90 triangle, then the leg is actually equals 4 times the square root of 3, and the hypotenuse is 2 times 4, which is 8. Okay? So that's enough in this video. Thank you so much.